Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to game on the Juno Tab 3. For this example, I'm going to be using Boosteroid, which is an online streaming gaming platform. We're going to be using the desktop app of Boosteroid, which is an X11 app. So because it's an X11 app and we're using phosh for this example, we need to scale down to 100%. That's because X11 apps tend to work much better when they are not scaled. Also, we have to force it to run under X11. So you can see the Boosteroid app is a Qt app. We're going to force it to use XCB. Okay, let's bring this down. And let's launch it. Okay, here we go. Now we have the app running. My Boosteroid account is a simple one or a very basic one. It's capped at 60 frames per second and 1080p. Okay, I'm only going to show two examples, two games. Saints Row, because you can see that it has a nice icon here. It's fairly fully optimized for this platform, and also Mafia 3. I'm not sure why it doesn't show. I believe it's because it's not fully supported, but it still runs very well. In this case, Saints Row will boot in full screen, and Mafia will boot in window mode. If I switch Mafia to full screen, then the game freezes. At first I thought that was a hardware problem, but it's not. It's actually an issue with Boosteroid. But overall, I'll show you both, and the experience is very good. As you can see, I'm also using a mouse, and I'm not connected to the power, but you can. It might improve your performance. Okay, so here we are. I'm going to do a quick example. I'm just going to show you the performance of the game. I'm not really going to do a mission or anything like that. As you can see how it works. This game is going to ask me to wait for the whole shaders to complete. I'm going to skip it. It may lag in the beginning, but then it's going to be fully optimized. Yeah, I skipped it. This is not required for every game. And here we go. The game is launched. There we go. Pretty smooth. No. Everything is good. Go find some people. Try to fight with them. Also, make sure you have a good internet connection. People. Who's mad? Anyways, just so you can see that it's running very good. Now, if I move my mouse quick, it works fine. Not really losing any performance or anything. It feels like I'm gaming on bare metal. I really like that. Okay, so as you can see, the game booted on full screen. Very nice. Everything works fine. Now I'm gonna boot into Mafia 3. Okay, so here we are. I just booted Mafia 3. Okay, as you can see, the window it's showing is a windowed app. The reason why I had to set it to window is because if I set it to full screen, the game will freeze a lot. At first, I thought it was a hardware issue with the tablet, but then after doing some research and so on, find out that some games run better full screen, otherwise window, and so on. You truly have to check online a little bit to see which one will perform better. I have this issue both on my desktop, my laptop, and now with the tablet. And with that solution, all three of them work just fine. Okay, we're gonna boot really quick. Okay, so we're now inside the game. I don't know if you can see this, but is using so the Boosteroid app, the desktop app, is using roughly 30% of the CPU and 14. Let's maximize it to 20% of the GPU. Probably less than that. Is around there. Currently, I'm sitting at 45 frames per second. And as I mentioned before, my account is it's capped actually to 1080p and 60 frames per second. There we are. We'll drive around a little bit. And it's a very nice experience. See if we can find some people. We'll give those people a hard time. Oh, there's some here. I'm not going to shoot them, but I will maybe give them. Oop. I guess I did shoot. Oh, anyways, I don't want to shoot anyone, but I'll show you that even if I aim, very smooth, it's very nice. You know, I'm not going to shoot the guy, but very good. Can run. And it's nice. It's just a very, very nice experience. Again, just like the previous game, move my mouse quick, you know, it works just like as if I'm playing on the actual hardware. There you go. This is overall the game. I hope you like it. Bye bye.